Ella normalmente no se deja nada cortar el pelo, es muy miedosa y esto funciona de maravilla. Ahorita le estamos cortando contrapelo, pero luego le vamos a dar hacia abajo. Está tranquilísima. La carga funciona súper bien. Esta carga súper bien. Le quitamos el pelo. Miren cómo va cayendo el pelo. Maravilloso. Maravilloso.
Una super compra.
Súper.
Okay, so this is the All is One Pet Grooming Vacuum, the LM2, I guess. I bought this on Prime Day deals for $84. It is currently $99.99. It comes with a lot of stuff. This is the actual vacuum unit. Sits and it plugs in. It comes with all of this stuff along with the tray, which is super nice. Got the hose right here, and it comes with a bag for everything and a little cleaner. I'm not sure what this is for yet, but I'm sure the instructions will tell me. And then it comes with a quick start guide and the actual manual on how to use it. I'm excited for this because I'm old and we get excited about this sort of stuff at this point. So it's got a de-shedding brush, a grooming brush, electric clippers, a pet nail grinder, and a pet paw trimmer. Cleaning brush crevice tool. So I guess that's for like sweeping up when you're done. The hose, 6 different combs, which are 3mm, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 23mm each. Let's see here. It has different speeds. Yeah, there's a dust cap in there to help with that. I will show you my dog real quick. Actually, I'll just take a picture of it before and after, and I'll include it with my review. So we will see how this works. Hopefully it's not too loud.
believe how good you are. I should, though. You should get it from your mother. Look at that, no hair, clean hair. You're such a good girl, Kylie. You gonna get some cheese.
It's doing it now. Oh, it's such a baby. She was just laying there. Good girl. Is it still clipping it though? Yeah, I didn't know if the thing was too full, but I should empty it. Oh my God, really?
Want a break? Short break? No, you like it?
See this? This is the Oneisall pet vacuum that I got from Amazon. I am saving my dog currently, and I just have to tell you, I love this vacuum. I've already vacuumed half of her in like 10 minutes. It's super easy. It sucks everything into this bin. This is my second bin. I've already emptied one bin out, but it is awesome. I highly, highly suggest to buy it. All right. And when you do, I hope you enjoy it.
すごいのね。